to Seniors Connect.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's section, we're starting our tutorial series. In this series, I will teach everything about SolidWorks from very basics. So today's video is all about introducing to SolidWorks 2026. See, this software we can use for designing parts, assemblies and engineering drawings. So I think this is the most easy software compared to other CAD modeling softwares, because this is very easy and we can easily access all the tools, and secondly understand the SolidWorks interface, and thirdly SolidWorks workflow, how it works, how we can make model parts, and how to save on our laptop or desktop. Without wasting time, let's get started. So when you open SolidWorks, we see this interface. So in home screen we have to choose what you want to do. So I choose part because I want to make simple CAD model. So the first step is to set the documents unit. So select MMGS because it's the standard unit system. Most mechanical designing project use this. So now let's understand the left side panel, which is called the FeatureManager designing tree. Here whatever you do for making parts will be shown in this box. We will see this file section. Here we use this to open, save and print or close the SolidWorks files, and then edit. And in this edit option we can redo, undo, cut, copy, paste or modify the objects. And in the third view option, here we can control how your model is displayed, including zoom, orientation and visibility. And in insert option, used to add sketches, features, reference geometry and other elements. So and the next is tools, content setting, measurements, equations and additional designing ultimate utilities. Lastly, the command manager. Then this is the command bar. It provides quick access to use any tools by just searching here name of tool. When you get familiar with this interface, you don't need to use this command bar. You can directly access the tools from their manager, feature manager. So in the tab section, we firstly see the features. So features is used to create 3D models, extrude, revolve, fillet, chamfer, etc. Or in the second, sketch. So sketch, we can create 2D sketch or 3D sketch like lines, circles, rectangles and dimensions. And thirdly, evaluate or weldment. In weldment option, we see we can directly make pipes or any other sketches by using the feature. In thirdly, assembly, used to assemble multiple parts together. Then evaluate option, used to measure models, check properties and analyze design. So next is evaluate. We evaluate tabs for user, measuring models, check properties and analyze design. In properties, we can from here we can see the weight of that objects or part whichever we use. And thirdly, this is the main icons below the tabs. Here we can see view orientation, display style, or hide or show items options. We see the options like hide or show items, appearance, scenes and display manager. And below the tab section you see the main icons like view orientation, display style, hide or show items, appearance, scenes or display manager. In view orientation you can change view directions, or we can directly uh, come to the front, top, right or isometric views, or we can hide or show items. In hide or show we can see the planes, sketches whichever we made in this parts, scenes, change the background environment, which we can change from here. So now let's move towards a workflow of how we can make parts from the scratch. So now let's go to the sketch tab. Here you can make 2D or 3D sketch by using, just click on the sketch option and click on the 2D sketch. If you want to make a 3D sketch, we can select here 3D sketch. So now we have to select the plane where you want to make our sketch. So I just selected top plane here. From this sketch tabs we can make lines, we can draw anything from here. So I just take a line option, or here some shortcuts will be there for making these lines or dimensions. So here in the left box or manager option, feature manager option, here we can see the options like we have to make lines like for construction, infinite length. So I just take a line option and here make one sketch, when a rough sketch. So now I go to when the sketch is completed. So now we have to make the dimensions here, so it gets fully defined. Here we can see when the lines are in a blue color, in the below section you can see it is underdefined. So when you put all dimensions, here we can see fully defined. So now I just put here the dimensions. So I just put roughly dimensions. So now you see I don't need to put all the dimension. Here we can see fully defined. If you do all dimension, here you see it is over dimension, or we can make it driven. So I just cancel it, and we can see here this sketch is fully defined. So here also I can't add any other dimensions from here. So I just made all dimensions here. So by using these main icons I can zoom it to full sketch or make it to exact whatever I want to see. So just click and drag to see the parts. So by using these main icons I can zoom it to full sketch or make it to exact whatever I want to see. So just click and drag to see the parts. So now I want to extrude this sketch. So go to feature, extrude. We have to select the option as a extrude boss base. From here you can select the extrude boss base. So now in the left side command manager we see boss extrude. Here we have to select a blind. Here we have to take dimensions, what is the thickness of that box or sketch. So I just click here, put the dimensions, and you see this is the extruded part which we made in the SolidWorks. So this is the workflow, basic workflow, and here you can see in the command manager this is the boss. So this part is ready, so we have to save this part by using Ctrl+S, and just here we see the type of save. This is the SolidWorks parts file, so we just make a folder for SolidWorks tutorials, and here name whatever you want to do. I just put here first tutorial and save it. So this is the basic workflow of any CAD model. So just we have to go from we have to make a sketch from sketch option, and then make the parts, and just save that part in the our window section or in the file manager, so by using Ctrl+S. So now we make some sketches from our tutorial series. First, this is the first drawing of our tutorial series, but now if I do this in this part, this video make longer, so I just create second part of this video, and I will show how to make this part in the second video.